Hi there. This video is for people that struggle with plantar fasciitis and are looking for relief. Now, as a reflexology therapist, I get to work a lot with people that have really sore feet, including plantar fasciitis. Obviously, my first recommendation is go see a reflexology therapist that has worked with plantar fasciitis or knows um, how to how to help that situation, because not all reflexology therapists are the same. But when it comes to plantar fasciitis, this is what's happening. So the calf right here is likely tight, and on the bottom of your feet, there is fascia. Now, that fascia, if you have ever seen chicken and you pull the skin up, there's that tiny little fiber between the meat and the skin, fascia. So we have that covering over the bottom of our feet. Well, when things are used a lot, maybe it's the wrong posture, maybe it's overuse, whatever the case may be, calves get tight, it can pull. And when it pulls, sometimes there can be little tears inside that fascia, right? So if there ends up being little tears, I want you to imagine that you have a cut on your thumb. Okay. So if you have a cut on your thumb and it's right here, and you keep on going like this, and as soon as there's a scab, you're yanking on your hand, it tears it open, right? It hurts. It hurts. And so it's the same thing with your feet. So if your fascia has got a little tear in it and you're resting, it takes time and it's creating a scab, right? And then let's say that you are in bed and you've been sleeping for 5 to 8 hours. Okay. Then what you're going to do is you're going to get out of bed and you're going to put all your weight on the bottom of your feet. Well, all the weight on the bottom of your feet, imagine what's happening to those brand new little scabs in the fascia. You're ripping them open. Of course, it's going to be super painful, right? So, in order to alleviate that, you have to get some stretch long before you're applying all of the weight onto the bottom of your feet. The way that you're going to do that is I recommend just um, making sure that you are massaging this area first, massage the heels, and then take your knuckles and just roll over this part of the foot, specifically, usually in here. So you're just going to take two knuckles and roll in here for a few minutes. And then what you'll do is you'll just try to gently put pressure on your feet. And if you start feeling the pain, ease up, go back and work in this area again, just like this, until you can apply full pressure on your foot. Now, if you have a water bottle, it doesn't have to be this big, but let's say that you have a water bottle, you take a little bit of water out, make sure to freeze it, and then after you're able to stand up for just 10 minutes, roll cold on the bottom of the foot just to ice it a little bit. Keep on doing that for 2 weeks and you should feel good. Like I said, if you can get a hold of a reflexology therapist and book in between here, it's going to really help the entire foot. But if you're absolutely stuck, you don't have the funds, whatever the case may be, if you just keep on doing so the exact way, take a fist and roll it into your heel, just like this. And then take two knuckles and just gently work in this area. Keep on doing that along with the calf stretches. And then again, gentle pressure before putting all your weight on your feet. Let me know how that goes. Love to hear your feedback in the comments and good luck. The best part about living is feeling good. So hope you can get back to that pain-free. Bye for now.